So I'm going to show you two other keywords that we can use along with our other comparison operators. And these keywords are and or. And just like in the typical English grammar, if I say and, I am saying that both statements are true. And if I say or, I'm checking to see if at least one of the statements are true. So let's use this in an example. So let's say we want to check if Henry's balance is in the range of 50 to 100. In order to do this, we'll write out this code. And as you can see, we are comparing and checking if Henry's balance is greater than 50 and Henry's balance is less than 100. So let me put this in parentheses to make this a little bit more readable. And let's assign the result to a variable called results. So if we print out the results, we should get the value true, because 56 is in the range of 50 to 100. So let me show you another example. And this time we're going to use the keyword or. Let's say we want to check if Henry's balance is equal to 50 or Angela's balance does not equal 4. So in that case, we'll update our code to look like this. And if I run my code, you can see that the result is true. And that is because here we have Henry balance equals 50, which is false, but Angela's balance does not equal 4. And since we have at least one true statement, the value of this or comparison is going to be true. And finally, the last keyword we're going to talk about is not. This keyword will give you the opposite result of whatever Boolean value is given to it. So let's look at a simple example here. Let's say we want to print out the result of 1 is greater than 2. And if I run this code, you can see that the result is false because 1 is not greater than 2. But if I surround this in a not and I run my code, we can see that we get the opposite result. In this case, it is true. So we can use these three keywords and or not along with our comparison symbols such as equal, not equal, greater than, or less than to make any type of comparison that we need.